How to clear tabs and data on DuckDuckGo. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear tabs and data on DuckDuckGo. To do so, you will need to follow the steps based on your device you are using. First of all, you will need to open your DuckDuckGo application on your mobile device, and once you reach to this page, here, tap on the three dots icon at the top right and then tap on Settings from the menu. Now, you will need to scroll down to find Privacy option. Once you reach to the Settings page, you will need to scroll down and at the bottom here search for Fire button option. Once located, tap on it and then inside it here you'll be able to see the option Automatically Clear. Tap on it and then from here you will need to select Tabs and Data. By doing so, now you can tap on the Save button right here. And after doing that, you'll be able to close all the tabs and clear data. So by following these steps, you should be able to clear all the tabs and data on your DuckDuckGo app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.